Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, power sun moonroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, climate control automatic. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.